got you.
I want to post it.
Lake Tahoe. It's pretty as shit out here, bro. We're gonna go fishing. First time? Yeah.
Say cheese. Good. Like this.
Un caso así como un millón, ¿verdad?
No, más.
Let's go check. Let's go check that out.
See that shit. Yo, man, yo.
What up, guys? It's King Joe. If you didn't know, now you know, man.
You're fire, man. Let's stand this shit real quick.
It's because it's snowing a lot.
Yeah, just hold it.
Damn, you see how it's snowing me, huh?
Hell yeah. Oh, shit. The tangle?
It won't drop, what up? Yeah, like it won't drop. Oh, I see.
She got tangled right there. You see that? Yeah.
3 hours later.
Hey, why is it all faded?
What it do? What it do?
Yeah, it just started.
This is Pimp Ass Cousin, J King. You know you can find me on Snap. Holla at me, holla at me.
That's how you do it.
What up, man? It's King Joe. Enough with that. What's up with the girls, man? Let me see the comments. Let me see the comments. There's no one there? Hey, there will be. Don't worry about it, man. We'll blow up. Y'all want to see the view? Y'all want to see the view? Okay, I don't know. Change it.
Change it.
Oh, it's cold. The one we stood at was dope, bro.
It was like literally on the other side, no?
Crazy. No, we're probably over there.
But that's all California right there. We're in Nevada.
Oh, it's crazy as.
The next day.
There you go. So I'm starting to stream up. This is where we're staying at. There's all the magic's happening. You know.
Yay!
Brian's out here. Manny's out here. The baby's out here.
Hella funny, bro.
We got the main guy over there fishing.
Oh, he's actually live?
Yep. It's what we do, baby. It's what we do. Look at this fucking shit out here. We're at $1 million home. Who does it out here? Check this shit out. I don't know how to stop.
I'm gonna move.
Did you put bait?
Of course. It's too laggy. It's too laggy. I try to go live, bro. It's too laggy. The view is beautiful. I'm taking off my gloves, putting my glove back on because it's so freaking cold. Bunch of little rocks here. And that's how you get something unstuck. I might just climb on those rocks. The line broke. Also, oh shit. These rocks are slimy. Jump in. I am soaked. The water's cold. Hold on. I'll get some.
How much you put in there?
No, you put 80. Oh.
What?
Wait, this is how you went fat.
Just record.
No, I'm gonna take you somewhere else where we're for sure gonna win. I'll show you guys right now.
You gotta go by your mom. She's gonna look right now.
That's how you do it.
What, 50 bucks? Yeah, how much money have you lost so far?
Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Okay, this is not hitting. This is when you gotta step out.
Oh, you just take it out with the bill.
I played 80 bucks. See what we have now. 41. Come on, jackpot. Come on.
Nah. Like father, like son. Oh. How much? How much did you put in there?
I got my money back.
They're going fast. Look at the girl. They went fast. That is beautiful. Yeah.
Yeah, Sherry.
Pues así está bien. I'm gonna just wait till the line's all wasted and I'll put more.
A few moments later.
So at first I did try to use a spinner, but now I'm switching to a worm. Now I am fairly new to using the power bait, and I assume that if I put power bait with the worm, it wouldn't be that bad. But I know people do use power bait on its own, and that's what a lot of people get trout with. And sadly, I didn't try that because I also did not have much time fishing, but I did try to put power bait within the bait. Actually kind of proud of myself. I ended up tying line by myself, got better at it. I would use a bait caster for, look at this view though. That's what fishing's about. Chilling, relaxing. I used to use the bait caster, bro. Well, so I'm so used to the bait caster. But I wanted to try the reel because it's a 2-piece. Didn't have much room in the car. If I catch one fish right now, freaking day. I'll make my freaking day. I'll just struggle. Starting to try new techniques, new tie, new knots for everything. Still taking me a cool minute. Just the thing is the rocks. Let me see if I throw it up. If it won't. Dude, I'm so proud of myself. That's why I like fishing, man. I like to learn. And when I teach myself this, like outdoors in general, I teach myself all the time. It's not even cold right now. Like it's the wind, you know, it's the wind that gets you every time. I tried day 1 snowing, windy. I can't believe I tried in that weather. That was day 2. Right now, it's beautiful. The morning it was cold. Picking it up a little bit so that way it doesn't get stuck on the rock. There's a person there. She's so lucky. I would love to fish in that pier. She's, you know, I think half of these are rental and then half of them are owned. Airbnbs owned. People get into real estate business. There it is. And then my bait is gone. I'll put some more in. I'm just gonna I noticed a lot of people say no to trout. I mean, no to worms for trout. Well, I don't think a lot, but I think a lot of people try different approaches, which I understand. I might try this one right here. Hopefully it doesn't get stuck. Might try this one right here, because it's a good one for trout. I had 2 spinners and they both got stuck. So, because right now I'm just using a worm and then some power bait, hopefully, on it. You know, I know people just fish also with just power bait on it. It's getting colder now. The stars.
Oh, peaceful.
I know. That's how Colorado was. But it was higher. Little colors, what the hell? It's called the sunset.
No, Johnny. He's over here trying to catch a fish. Good like 5 hours.
No. We'll catch a fish.
We're at the market, Johnny. You have a chance that way. He's been here since 10 in the morning. That one.
Not you, man. So it
He's
came back.
catching rocks.
Oh, I have been catching rocks. That's the part.
He's just catching all the litter from inside.
It's not about catching fishes. It's about the view. While trying to catch a fish. It's the best part. Look, bruh. Look at all the stars. Look at all the stars. This is why I'm out here. Look at the stars. That is so beautiful, bro. The top of my rod was filled with ice because it's like 30 degrees out here. And I'm still fishing. I haven't caught anything. And I bet the water is just so freaking cold right now. February, Lake Tahoe. My rod's just getting iced up. I could just tell. That's why I felt fish. Say, let me cast this shit one more time. Put that down. Family's playing Uno. In the nice heat. I'm so dedicated to catching the fish. Two more and I'm done. I feel like this trip I've been learning more. Like tying lines. Like tying 2 fishing lines I learned. Tying lines, bowling I learned. So I'll take it. A beautiful view.
The next day.